是你，来之前都不跟我说一声，我在办公室呢。
哦，我不是想给你一个惊喜吗？
我马上给你开门，你先进去，我马上回来。
好的。
干什么呢？
Several video Doorphone support 2 or more users monitor online. It supports iOS, Android system, tablets. One Doorphone can support at most 8 devices at the same time, and one device can monitor at most 10 sets of video Doorphone online. Wherever you are, you can monitor your Doorphone anytime. Built-in microphone and speaker, two-way intercom, support real-time talk. Self-video Doorphone is easy to operate. Plug the power. 30 seconds later, the Doorphone will give a hint of welcome to smart home.
Welcome to smart home.
And wait for 5 seconds, then press the Doorphone over 5 seconds. The Doorphone will give a hint of successful start, and you can set it in 5 minutes. Step 1. Open the mobile phone settings. Step 2. Open the mobile phone Wi-Fi. Step 3. Find the network with the beginning of Doorbell. Step 4. Enter the initial password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then the mobile phone and the doorbell is paired successfully. Step 5. Open the Doorbell app. Add a new doorbell. Search the doorbell ID and click it. Click Done. Step 6. Click Setting and find the Wi-Fi setting. Link the doorbell to external networks. Step 7. Waiting for the system to restart. Refresh the doorbell till it is online. Intelligent life. Hand control.